Hey, what's going on guys? Spencer here, and today I've got another product video for you. It's a really nice and high quality Panasonic PV-9451 hi-fi VCR or video cassette recorder. This thing is going to easily plug into your TV as long as it's got the AV jacks or composite AV output on the back. You'll be good. Pretty much any Panasonic VCR will be built to last a very long time. They're all super high quality and the picture quality is also hard to beat. Let's go ahead and talk about the entire device just so you know what it is. When you receive your package from us and unbox it, it's gonna come with the VCR itself, the original factory remote, not a replacement or universal remote. It is the original one. And then composite AV cords and the manual. On the front panel, you've got a power button and VCR TV button on the left. The VCR TV button is for switching between the TV and the VCR controls. You've then got the AV input for recording onto VHS from another source, the record button to begin recording onto VHS. Then you've got the channel button or action buttons, and then the normal play, rewind, fast forward, stop, and eject buttons. And this VCR does feature VCR Plus and 4 heads, which is pretty much standard on VCRs, most of them. Very few will have 2 heads. And then hi-fi stereo is something that you must get if you're gonna get a VCR. You don't wanna get a mono VCR. And it does have Omnivision, which is a standard feature for Panasonics. On the rear panel of it, you've got your composite video audio output. That's going to be for connecting it to the TV. And then you've got a input that's going to be just like on the front for recording from another device. And then the tuner input and output, those are usually for connecting to cable TV. And then the channel switch for setting up the tuner. The remote that's featured with this one is kind of nice because it's actually pretty big. The buttons on it are large and easy to use. It's easy to press them and it's easy to see them. Something that's cool about the remote too is it's got this light button that allows you to turn on a backlight so that you can use this in the dark. Then all these other buttons, I'll show you how they work once we get it set up and you'll be able to see what they do on the TV screen. Let's go ahead and connect this to the TV just so that you can see it working. First we're going to plug in the power cord and then use our provided red, white, and yellow cable and connect that to the output on the back of the VCR. You definitely don't want to use the input. If you do that, it will not work. And then connect the other end of that cable to your TV and then make sure that you set the TV to the correct input. And then go ahead and put a VHS tape inside of the VCR.
Good work, Boomer. We'll get him this time. Shh. I think he's in there.
Sure, I heard someone knocking. Oh! Three. Oh, here! Stop it! Oh, you pesky bird! Will you come back here? Oh, stop! Wonder what got into those birds.
That was all the basics for this really nice, high quality, yet standard Panasonic VCR. It's gonna be really good. It'll fit into any entertainment center. Just gotta plug in the red, white, and yellow cable and you're good to go. If you're looking to get one of these, make sure you get it from us at SpenCertified.com, and you can call to order or order online. And if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.